Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Shaibu, don tok say the Obaseki administration go continue to support traditional institutions. He tok dis one for the courtesy visit wey he do to the Onose of Ekpedo land for Akoko-Edo local government area for Edo State. Shaibu come chook mouth on top the katakata wey dey happen for there, say the government go sharply address am to see say peace come the community.
I'm working on it. I can tell you, it's not politics. You are right, and this government is one government that we see from the beginning the end of anything we want to do. And that's why I've said the people will say at times we are slow in taking certain decisions. We need to check, do a lot of research, and make sure that when we do them, we just do them temporarily, we do them permanently. That's why we say we institutionalize every act that we do in the state. And you are right, there are classes. There's grade A, grade B, grade C, as far as the hierarchy of traditional institutions is concerned. Yeah, so we are looking at all those legislation and those changes. And for here will not wait for when we start grading. There are a lot of legitimate claims that people have asked for. When we came on board, the first assignment I did was to send a team to Ibadan. Why would they go to Ibadan? Because that is why the archive is. And we went there, they spent like 3 months in getting all those archival documents, which is helping me now. Post-satellite images and physical hard copies, we have them in Edo after that exercise. And that is helping me in the area of land disputes. And when it comes to creation of plan and the historical issues concerning any clan in Edo State, those maps and everything also help us, so that when we create any clan, obviously we know the mapping of that clan. You know, recently the last one we did was Wepa Wanu, and the creation of Wepa Wanu, when we check history from 1954 and 1963, we discovered that it was in 1972 that they merged them because of, according to their administrative convenience. From that historical document, it was obvious that since they are asking for it, it was legitimate. We have to create it for them.
The Onose of Ekpedo land is Royal Highness Oba John Afolabi Obabori. Talk say make the government help strengthen the traditional institutions, as this one go make the people respect them more.
One important thing I want to mention here is the issue of traditional rulers, which I think is overdue for overvaluing. Because the way it is certainly not the best. Other states, they grade their obas. There is no harm in being a third class or first class. The basic thing is that once you are not bad, you are not bad. You could be a third class or whatever. But even with your third class, you are still a number. Given all the parallel of respect. So if this is done, you will ever remain. If this administration can do that, you will remain evergreen in the history of Edo State. But that is one thing that has put so much injustice in the traditional institution of Edo State. And, Your Excellency, there's an issue that we put before you. I hope it's still fresh in your mind. Please help us to actualize it, because that is one thing that is very, very dear to us. And that's one thing we can use to tell our people that the government on ground is the government of the day and is their government. And that whatever we ask of them, they will get committed to it.
Former member Edo State House of Assembly, where they represent Akoko-Edo Constituency 2, Honourable Bamidele Oloruntoba, come through with Ogbonge salute give the Deputy Governor for everything he don do for them.
And I want to say, sir, without emphasis, anywhere you go is where I go. And by the grace of God, that road, that junction to that place, it has been named after him. The Shaibu Street, the longest road. By next year, the road will be tied, long time to my I assure you that he's a man that talk and stand by it.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your votes, give any politician or political party on election day.